Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. You need to memorize two algorithms. The first one is right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And the second one is X, R2, D2, right, up, right inverted, D2, right, up inverted, right inverted. Okay, for the first step, you're gonna solve the first layer. You can choose what color you want, but now I chose the green side. There is no algorithm for this step. Okay, the first layer is solved. Now we're gonna solve the upside. It's yellow. That's because yellow is opposite the green. So yellow. This side is gonna be the yellow. So we do the algorithm right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, till this color switch to yellow. Okay, turn it, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Turn 2 times, because we will have this unsolved corner to the right. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Okay, now is this side solved, but the corners isn't in the right place. Now we use the other algorithm. That's to turn around the corners clockwise in a cycle. X. It's solved. Congratulations, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.